In today's video, I'll show you how to save your Squarespace website properly after making edits. A quick step to ensure your changes go live. Squarespace makes it easy for anyone, even beginners, to build a professional site. But once you've made edits, whether it's changing text, adding new photos, or redesigning a section, it's important to understand how to save changes before publishing on Squarespace. Let's begin. First, head over to the Squarespace homepage. Click the Login button at the top right. For quick access, use Continue with Google and select the Google account connected to your site. After signing in, you'll land on your dashboard. Click on the website you want to update. This opens the back end where you manage everything. Now it's time to edit and save your Squarespace page. Click the Edit button, usually found at the top left. The page will enter edit mode, and elements like text blocks, images, or buttons become clickable. Make your changes confidently. Whether you're updating your blog, adjusting your layout, or swapping images, Squarespace allows you to see changes in real time, but they won't go live until you manually save them. To publish changes on Squarespace, look for the Save button at the top left corner. Click it once you're satisfied. This final step ensures your edits are applied and visible to the public. Some users wonder if Squarespace has an auto-save feature. While minor edits may be retained temporarily, it's always best to click Save manually to avoid losing your work. And that's how you save your Squarespace website after making edits. By learning the proper process for saving edits in Squarespace, you ensure your site stays updated, polished, and live for your visitors. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you understand how to make changes live on Squarespace, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.